that other farmers are selling, should I be conscious of the prices? So he's talking about, changing the prices. If somebody's selling the same product for me for 450, and I'm selling for 5, should I lower my price? It's a good question fundamentally, but I would say no. In my experience, I found it best to not do that because it seems inconsistent, and you should be building a customer base on your brand at the farm and your overall thing, not just an individual product. People are going to price shop, and you'll never win that battle if you just constantly go in and changing your prices. It's also a pain in the butt. So I wouldn't do it. I would encourage you to stay true to your price and just stick to that, because it's a lot of work to go back and forth and constantly change it, and I think it devalues you. So I wouldn't do that.